Hello friends, welcome to Triplers Creations. Let me introduce myself as Arjun Krishna, and today I will show you how to make a ninja knife with pepper. And please watch my complete video, and if you like my video, please share and subscribe. So let's make it. Making it, we need one sheet of chart paper and take a A4 sheet and put it on the chart paper and the mark the size and cut it. So I have cut the piece and take it and fold it like this. Fold it properly and take it out. Fold it again. Fold it from this side. Fold it properly and fold it from here. Fold it like this. Fold it. And do the same to the other side. Fold it like this and do like this for folding it. So I have made it, and I have made another piece of the same item here, and take it. Take some glue and apply it. And apply it inside this. And press it carefully. Put some glue here also. Press it and apply glue on the top. And take the another piece and put it this like this, and do the same thing on the other side and fold it and press it and apply some glue inside this and fold it and do the same thing here. And fold it and put some glue here Take one small piece of chakrata of 7 cm and 30 cm and fold it like this. And apply some glue. And do like this. And fold it. And take another piece for the knife. And turn it like this. And paste it. And apply some glue with the back side. Do the same thing here. Here I did the same thing on the other side, and put some marks like this on the both sides. So let's color the strip. Here I am using a gel pen to color it. And color this side too. So I have colored this strip on the both sides. Then color this strip as we did on the other strip. So I have similarly colored this strip. So let's make some design. Design is black. Like this. Similarly, draw this design on the other side. I have similarly drawn this design on the both sides. So let's press this. Here I am using a plier to press it. So press it. So finally, our knife is ready.